I'm Melanie with Hooked to the Left, and today I'm going to tell you about some big changes, or actually big new things that are coming to this channel, and I'm so excited about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you've been with me for a while, or even just a little hot minute, again, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos over and over again. Make sure that you leave your comments and tell me all your thoughts, because I really appreciate that. Okay, so I told you I've got some big news about this channel, and I do. So real quick, number one, I want to tell you, hey, I know today is supposed to be like a review day or get you something like that out there, and instead I'm getting you this big news out, and I should have gotten it out at about 12 o'clock today. I just haven't had time to record the video. But I've got time now, and I want to make sure I let you guys know before Tuesday's over that I'm going to be starting live shows. Yay! So you may have seen where I've already scheduled one live show, and that's a very special one. And I'm going to be asking you to go and follow some other people when I tell you about that. But first, let's talk about my individual live show and what I plan to do with it and what time I plan to do it at. So as of right now, I'm looking at doing my live show on Saturdays at 11 a.m. If you know of any conflicts that this may have, let me know, because I'm open to changing that to either Friday evening or a little bit later on Saturday, like noon or possibly even 1. I do plan to only have my lives run for about an hour, and I do plan to do them weekly. Okay, so sometimes they're going to be thematic, and sometimes it's just going to be chat. So first, I think we're going to start out with some chats, just getting to know each other, and then I'll start to get some themes going, especially as we get closer to the holidays, because why not? Alright, so that's my chats. As of right now, I'm planning on, and I'm gonna right after I get this uploaded and go live, I'm gonna also set up a reminder so that you can set up a little thing so that you get a notification if you want to have a reminder set for my live shows. Next up is another set of live shows that I'm going to be doing weekly, and I'm so excited about them. Now, you're only going to see them on my channel once a month, so you're going to want to follow 3 other people to keep up with the series, and we do intend for this live show to be thematic each week. So it's going to be me, Julie from Whippy Chick, sorry, I almost said Stitch, Whippy Chick, Julie, and Kate from Bitchin' Stitches, and then Ginger from Yarn Geek. You need to make sure that you go and follow them. Now, from now on, in my links in my description down below, I'm going to include their links so you can always find them down below. It's going to be listed under Yarn Hookers, which is what our little group is called, and I can't wait for you to come and visit us. Our first live show is going to be on this channel on Saturday the 17th at 5 p.m. After that, the next one is going to be the following Saturday at 5 p.m. and it's going to be on Ginger's channel, and then I think Julie's after that, and then Kate is after that. So like I said, make sure you follow all of our channels so that you won't miss a single episode. This particular episode that we're going to have on my channel this week, or not this week, on the 17th, is going to be quick projects for Christmas gifts. So I can't wait for that. So go ahead and make sure that you hit that little button so that you get a little flag, I guess. It pops up as a something on your phone if you're getting alerts on your phone. So it pops up as an alert to remind you to come and visit the show. So that's already out there. Go ahead and hit that, and that is all that I wanted to go over today. So I'm really excited about these lives coming and having those weekly, and I also just recorded like 3 other videos for this channel, so you won't be losing out on the content in other ways. So I do want to let you know, today I'm posting this video, but tomorrow, which I will post out, which will probably be somewhere between 12 and noon, I will release the new Mary Maxim kit. So that's coming out tomorrow. Make sure that you visit to check that out. And yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think. If you have any ideas for my live show or even the group live show, then just let me know and comment down below. I would love to hear from you. All right, so and if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed to me yet, if you're a fan of yarn hauls, I gotta put my fingers up here, a fan of yarn hauls, if you're a fan of crochet product reviews, if you're a fan of kit reviews, like the crochet kit reviews, if you're a fan of tutorials and really just anything crochet that I can think of, then hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I put out a new video. So thank you all so much for watching me. I greatly appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.